Samsung Siro 43-inch rotating TV launched in India for 1.25 lakh rupees. Having launched the Frame and the Serif TVs over the past couple of years, Samsung has expanded its lifestyle TV range in India with the launch of the Siro, a unique rotating television that the company claims is the world's first mobile-optimized TV. The device, which was originally unveiled at CES 2020 back in January, comes with a 43-inch 4K QLED panel that can rotate between horizontal and vertical orientations based on whether the video being played is shot in landscape mode or portrait mode. Siro, which means vertical in Korean, has been named as such because of its ability to pivot between horizontal and vertical orientations just as a user might handle their smartphone or tablet. It is optimized for social media content and is targeted at a younger social media generation with an interest in viewing experiences such as the ones found on their mobile devices, said the company in an official press release. According to Samsung, the screen will rotate automatically depending on the orientation of the video, but can also be manually rotated using the remote control, voice command and via the SmartThings app. When in portrait mode, the TV also lets users choose from various stylish vertical backgrounds, while the Ambient Mode Plus functionality allows users to display useful information or blend the TV into its surroundings. In terms of smart features, the Siro comes with adaptive picture, responsive UI, tap view technology, active voice amplifier, AVA, etc. It also comes with 4.1-channel 60W front-firing speakers that the company claims will offer a fully immersive entertainment experience, whether streaming music, mirroring content from smartphones and scrolling through their social media feeds, or watching their favorite shows. The Samsung Siro has been priced at 124,990 rupees, and will be available exclusively at Reliance Digital stores. Launch offers include benefits like 5% cash back, with EMIs starting from as low as 1,190 rupees. Reliance Digital is also offering gift vouchers from AJIO and Reliance Trends until November 16 as part of its ongoing Festival of Electronics sale.